How's it going, guys? It's Dean from LazyLife Productions and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add text to your footage in Davinci Resolve 17. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Let's go. Alright, so you've finished editing your footage. What you're going to do now is add your text. So to do that, you're going to go over to the toolbar or toolbox on the far left and you're going to scroll down to titles. If you scroll through all of these are all templates for titles and text. I'm just going to use the simple text one for now. So what you're going to do is just left mouse click and drag it into video 2 or whatever free video slot you have that's above all your footage. And you're going to drop it in. Now, when it's on your footage, you can drag it and place it wherever you want. But I'm just going to leave it there for now. To change the text, what you're going to do is go up to your inspector on the top right, and for this instance, you're going to go to rich text, which is right there, and you're going to just change it to what you want. I'm just going to change it to test. Below it, you can change it to whatever font you want. You can change the size. Pretty much everything that you're going to need to edit the text is in this inspector screen. So you've got drop shadows, strokes, the works. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and I'll be back with some more videos very soon. See you later.